Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Over the summer, I was detailing the truck and I found this plug hiding behind the license plate. I later learned that it's an OEM block heater, which I've never used before until now. This video is intended to record the before and after temperatures of the engine block. So what I'll do now is I'll use this thermometer that I picked up from Harbor Freight yesterday. Let's see our reading. We're currently reading 34.1 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll give it a couple of hours and then look at it again. Here's the reading after just 30 minutes. 38.4. All right, folks, now we're about an hour in. We're gonna take a test now. 53 degrees. Wow, incredible jump. But realistically, I probably didn't need to run it today. It was just a test to understand how quickly the engine warm up. For me, the reason why I plan on using it when it gets colder outside is to help with the oil flow better throughout the engine before I start it. If you think about it, if the oil's thick when it gets cold and you're starting your engine, there's going to be a few moments where there are going to be some metal parts within the engine that doesn't get enough oil, and then the chances of having a metal to metal contact increases. My plan is to use the engine block heater only when I really need to, just because it does take a lot of electricity. But hey, thanks for tuning in, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Talk soon.